Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how you can stop pop-up ads on your Android phone. So first of all, we should talk about the brand of phone. Mine is an Oppo one. So if yours is Samsung, Xiaomi, or any other Android phone, your phone may have different settings, but what I will show in this video will work like 99% of the time. Because if it is any generic Android phone, it will have specific Android settings, and we will go over those and see how we can destroy all those pop-ups on our phones. First of all, I will start by going to my settings, and of course in the settings we will just go all the way down to see privacy, because privacy is what we do here. After clicking privacy, I will see permissions and another privacy tab. I will click this other privacy tab to see a privacy dashboard, show password, advanced, or any other privacy settings. But what I need right now is advanced. Because in here, we get a lot of stuff. And what I mean by a lot is actually a lot. What you can do as the simplest thing is just go on apps. And this will show you an app screen. Yes, here it will have ad privacy, reset advertising ID, and delete advertising ID. You can use delete advertising ID. As you can see, it will delete your current advertising ID, so apps can't show you data, or even if they show you, it will not be that good, or it will not be like it used to, and it will be much less. Of course, we can do this by app, but this is the simplest you can do to get rid of pop-up ads. Of course, I already deleted mine before, so I will not click advertising ID again. See, nothing changes. You can get a new one, of course, if you want to see ads, but for this video, of course, we do not want to get this. And if you see ad privacy right now, no ads are given to me, and I'm not getting any apps because of I just deleted ads. As we can go back, we can see usage and diagnostics, which is important if you only are a data analyst, so it's not that important. We have activity controls, autofill services from Google, which is only for your passwords. That is actually not ad related, it's more like password related. And then there is Android System Intelligence. We can just click this one and see our device learning and everything, but that is actually private information, so you should check your device learning and see what you can change. It's a little flickering. You need to go on them and just learn them. So I hope this video helped you guys, and if you have any other problems, check the channel and we will see you in other videos. Hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye and take care.